Now let's focus on the portfolio management model in contrast with PPM processes. Programs and projects have a start, they have a middle, and they will end at some point because they've delivered the outcomes or outputs they were set up to deliver. To ensure focus, methodologies such as PRINCE2 and MSP contain a number of broadly sequential processes that are used to help deliver successfully. This contrasts with portfolio management, where there is no defined start, middle, or end. The portfolio management model highlights how the portfolio management principles provide the context within which the portfolio definition and portfolio delivery cycles and their constituent practices operate. These principles reflect the key foundations on which effective portfolio management is based. We'll look at these in more depth in Module 3. Portfolio management activities focus on either defining the portfolio or delivering the portfolio. You'll learn about the specific practices in more detail in Modules 5, 6, and 7. However, it's important to emphasize that the definition cycle contains a series of broadly sequential practices. So understand generally comes before categorize, which usually comes before prioritize, and so on. Although in practice, some overlap will often occur. The delivery cycle is different in that the practices broadly take place simultaneously, but the cycle analogy is still applicable because the individual initiatives go through the program or project lifecycle, and portfolio delivery is linked to the strategic planning, financial, and risk management cycles. The definition and delivery practices occur on a continuous basis, although the emphasis accorded to each will vary from time to time. For example, you'd expect more emphasis on the portfolio definition cycle during strategic planning. Effective operation of these practices will be facilitated by tailored application of the techniques described in this course. Success also depends on organizational energy, the extent to which an organization, division, or team has mobilized its emotional, cognitive, and behavioral potential to pursue its goals.